Boom. Crypto bull run is up on us. Man, this is going to be a fun time. It's going to be wild. Let's kick it off with XRP Quick Notes all-time high edition. Now, I'm not recognizing this all-time high. I'm still holding out for 384, but I got to report the news. XRP hits an all-time high today, $3.64, totally smashing through the 2018 record of $3.40. Looking at the performance breakdown, 71% up in July alone, 10% over the last 24 hours. We've had a little bit of a pullback. No big deal. Let's hope we get an exciting weekend here. $23.5 billion in daily volume. Think of this. 2017, XRP, it was churning about $400,000 a day to start that year off. Now we're talking about $23 billion in volume. It's huge. Massive interest from retail institutions, you name it. 200 plus billion market cap. We're firmly in control of that number 3 market cap slot within crypto where we should be. We are entering price discovery. This is where it gets exciting. No resistance above, no precedent. XRP, we're getting ready to fly into uncharted territory for the first time in over 6 years. Think of that. It has been a long wait, but it's going to be one that is worthwhile, in my opinion. Proshares, Ultra XRP ETF, it launched today. Now, again, that's a futures product, but still important. Gives institutions access via brokerages. It opened at $53.82 with 1.3 million shares traded on day one. What happened next? XRP, as we just discussed, hit an all-time high. Daily volume exploded, $23.5 billion. And this is the big one. Futures open interest globally, not for this fund, but globally, past $10 billion, the highest we've seen since 2021. I'm sorry, it is on like Donkey Kong. Get ready. It is going to get wild. Institutions, whales, speculators, everyone, the world, as it should be, has their eyes on XRP as we sit here right now. Trump officially signed the Genius Act into law. It's official. President Trump just signed the Genius Act, the first major federal crypto law in history, and we have more in the pipeline. What a difference a year makes. Bipartisan support passed the House. Stablecoin framework regulating a $250 billion market. It ain't going to be $250 billion for much longer, though. It's going to explode. Industry-backed Coinbase, Circle, and Tether CEOs all in attendance. And I put this here. Brad Garlinghouse was notably absent, reportedly too busy to attend. Now, then I was corrected by my buddy here, the Natural Cube. Ripple actually had 3 people in attendance. Look, Brad probably was very busy. He can only go to so many of these things, but there were 3 representatives, including Stu himself, at that historic signing today. Big moment for this entire industry. We have Ripple and XRP. The rest of the news here. Well, accumulation is no joke right now. $2.2 billion, no, not dollars. 2.2 billion XRP scooped up in the last 2 weeks alone. That's over $6.6 billion spent to acquire XRP. We have a record 2,700 wallets that now hold 1 million plus XRP in them. We've seen large transfers, Coinbase, Upbit, and also wallet to wallet. A lot of XRP sloshing around out there. $68 million worth of shorts liquidated. Losers just got wiped out as whales bought the break above $2.80. We're also seeing a pickup here with this Dubai real estate tokenization partnership here. Ripple joins Control Alt and Dubai land development to tokenize real estate titles. Is this a pilot? No, this is live. I expect it'll be small to start, but hey, if this is efficient, if this works, and this is going to be a killer. A lot of people are going to use it. First blockchain to tokenize by a government agency in the Middle East. Real estate deeds, they're going to be issued directly on the XRP ledger. This is a good start. This is significant, and it could grow into something much, much bigger here. The crypto market itself, the market cap smashed $4 trillion for the first time ever, passing every company other than NVIDIA. NVIDIA right now is at 4.2 trillion. We're going to run down NVIDIA as well and blow right past them, which makes sense. When we look at these, traditional assets, these are global currencies, right? You have the value of economies globally flowing in and out of these things. They should be worth more than your biggest stock, and they will be. They will be individually and not just an aggregate as well. And right now we sit ahead of the GDPs, gross domestic products of the UK, France, and Italy. If crypto were a country, it'd be the sixth largest economy in the world, trailing only US, China, Germany, India, and Japan. Man, this is wild. Bitcoin nearing its all-time high, daily volume over 200 billion. Institutional inflows are skyrocketing, and at the same time, just getting started. It's going to get wilder. And altcoins, they're leading the rally with faster growth than Bitcoin, which is what we would expect to start to happen. The altcoin and meme coin frenzy starts to take over the market. We've had a DeFi revival here. Uniswap pumping 20% in a single day. Transaction value locks surged past 147 billion. DEX volumes hitting all-time highs within the meme area. Dogecoin nears a 3-month high. Bonk jumps 20%, and celebrity tokens start to go parabolic. Layer 1 showdown, Solana up 5.6%. Cardano sees a breakout, up 14.7%. Avalanche, Polkadot, most of your big names within the Layer 1 space are showing strong weekly gains. Today was a great day for the banking sector. The banking sector blows past Q2 expectations, and just wait until they start to incorporate blockchain into their services. It's going to be a game changer. Wall Street's top banks just delivered stellar Q2 earnings, beating forecasts across the board and signaling strength amid economic volatility. So that's what we're trying to look at. Is this going to continue? How's the economy looking? Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, Wells Fargo, Amex, all beating expectations. Great day for the banking sector. Lastly, Zhao Dao, going to have the first Zhao Dao X space, so the live chat on X, July 24th at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. You're going to get to hear from the founders, Fabio, Santiago. It's going to be hosted by Chip and Jenna X Crypto. Should be a really good show. I will be there in attendance, listening myself. I hope you join me there too. Also, link down below. Follow Zhao Dao on X. Really important. We're trying to get to 5,000 followers. Not quite there yet, but we will be. And I hope you join us there on that live X space, because you really are going to want to meet, if you don't know them already, Fabio and Santiago. They've been around, just brilliant minds, and this is going to be a significant project on the XRP ledger. Let me know what you think down below. As always, please like, please subscribe. The revolution will be televised right here on Jungle Link.